or hide data labels, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to add data labels to the chart shown on the screen. I first click the chart. Notice that when the chart is clicked, a new set of tabs named Chart Tools is displayed. The new tabs are Design and Format. Second, I select the tab Design. Third, I click on Add Chart Element. Fourth, I select Data Labels. As you can see, there are several positions where the data labels can be displayed. Finally, I select Outside End. As a result, the data labels are placed at the end of the bars. To hide the data labels, repeat steps 4 and 5. So I click Data Labels. Then I select the option None. As you can see, the data labels are hidden.